Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Okcupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Okcupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You'll see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to change your name, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Now once you're in your profile settings page, you can see your profile at the top. Tap on your profile. Now that you're in your profile page, you can see the edit option over here. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the first name option. Tap on it. Now this is where you can change your name. You can simply tap on this name field and change your name. Once you're done, you can tap on this save button at the bottom. And there you go. That's how you can successfully change your name on Okcupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.